Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're bringing you the latest update on Cream Finance Token, also known as CREAMToken. Cream is a decentralized finance platform that offers key financial services like lending and borrowing directly on the blockchain. As the DeFi space continues to evolve, understanding where tokens like Cream are heading is more important than ever, especially if you're an investor or just interested in the future of decentralized finance. Cream is currently trading around $1.49, but it's had its fair share of volatility, which is pretty common in the crypto world. Despite that, there's been some interesting price predictions for Cream by the end of 2025. Changelly predicts that Cream could reach a maximum of around $59.63, with an average trading price of about $55 by December 2025. On the other hand, Mudrex has given a slightly different forecast, expecting the price to fall somewhere between $30.25 and $51.07. These predictions are based on historical trends and technical indicators. Cream continues to be a noteworthy project in the DeFi world, offering real utility on the blockchain. Whether the token hits those higher price predictions or not, it's crucial to always do your own research and consider all the factors before investing. If you found this update useful, make sure to like the video and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.